Is term insurance really for you? Maraming gustong kumuha ng term insurance kasi BTID concept, natututunan nila online, yung buy term, invest the difference. Tapos ito rin yung cheapest option ng life insurance. Pero pag-usapan natin kung ito nga ba talaga yung hinahanap mo. I'll give you 3 reasons when to buy term insurance. The first is kung naghahanap ka ng additional insurance. Ibig sabihin, meron ka ng life insurance or meron ka ng VUL, whole life endowment plans, and gusto mong magdagdag ng additional coverage nang hindi masyadong mahal. Diba? So meaning, meron ka ng something for the long term, tapos for the short term, gusto mo mas malaki yung coverage. Ayan, pwedeng term insurance yan. The second is kung limited yung budget mo. So kung talagang, maybe this is your first insurance, and convinced ka na kailangan mo ng insurance, gusto mo na talaga ngayon na ayaw mo nang ipagpaliban pa, pero limited yung budget, maliit pa lang talaga, you cannot commit to pay for a long term, 10 years, 20 years, so maybe term insurance yung hinahanap mo. This is the time na gano'n, na kahit temporary lang yung insurance muna, hindi siya forever, pero at least covered ka na ngayon. So pwede yan sa term insurance, kumuha ka ng term insurance. Third scenario is if you just need short-term coverage. Yung need mo for coverage short-term lang. Meaning, probably pa-retire ka na. So, malapit ka na mag-retire. And gusto mo, covered ka lang during your working years. Pwede yon. Or, let's say, yung pinakabatang anak mo, yung bunsong anak mo, malapit nang gumraduate. Or, maganda na rin yung trabaho niya. So, konting years na lang yung ipoprovide mo. And you don't plan na magpamana pa sa anak mo or sa mga apo mo, then maybe at least the cheapest option, term insurance na lang din kesa kumuha ka ng whole life or VUL. But again, hindi para sa lahat yung term insurance. Kung naghahanap ka ng long-term coverage, kung naghahanap ka ng up to age 100, kung naghahanap ka ng yun nga, guaranteed, 'di ba? So hindi term insurance yung para sa iyo. So I hope this video helps. Kung pasok dun sa 3 bagay na yon ang hinahanap mo, then probably term insurance. Siguro last thing, kung naghahanap ka ng alternative sa MRI mo at ayaw mo nang kumuha sa bangko, gusto mo yung something na flexible, yun para sa'yo talaga, at pwede mong gamitin sa next housing loan mo, hindi lang dito sa current, pwede rin yung term insurance doon. So kung may naisip pa kayo na other uses of term insurance, let me know. No, leave in the comment section.